Welcome to the website for the Serve and Protect Our Veterans nonprofit organization. This is an organization that was created or theoretically created to help assist our veterans and to thank them for their service to our country. I am very passionate about taking care of our veterans. I come from a long line of military personnel. And the most recent veteran of our family was my brother Josh, who served in Iraq. And so I just am very passionate about serving them and fulfilling their needs. The purpose of this site is to encourage monetary donations for the charity. While normally we would accept things such as clothing, household items, even cars and houses, this is asking for money to help supplement for the areas that are not being donated towards. The color scheme that I chose is red, white, and blue, as these are patriotic colors, and I wanted to invoke patriotism and the love for our nation, and most certainly the veterans. Throughout the site, it explains who we are, again, what things can be donated, your donations at work, so it gives individuals and things that were donated towards them, or donated for them, sorry, and then the testimonies of personal stories, and then a final call to donate for the money, or for the cause, sorry. And here is the footer. I was very excited when I figured out how to get the sections to jump down. What I learned most through all this is how much goes into a site. You have to work on your margins and your padding and the color schemes and finding the photos that best suit your thoughts and that will express what you want for the site and for your organization. The things that I found most difficult was getting everything to line up, and also to get it to work correctly on a mobile device. During the different assignments, I did not seem to have much difficulty with most of the things to get and write the coding for, but when it came to the site, writing the coding just didn't seem to work as easily as before. And I definitely appreciate everything that goes into a site and will not take advantage of the different websites that I visit in the future. And I'm very grateful, though, to have learned this and these things, but I definitely have learned that I will not be doing this for a living. And I hope you enjoyed my site.